Do you want to use DeepSeek in your preferred language? In this video, I will show you how to switch to your preferred language on DeepSeek step by step so you can enjoy content comfortably in the language you understand. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to DeepSeek. In this page, you will go to above to this sign. Then you will click on this sign or these three dots. After that, in this page, you will find this window of language. So you will tap on language. And here you can choose or change your language of the app here as you want. And then we click on confirm. And also here, if you want to change the language of the audio, here you will find its main language, so you click on use app language and you can choose any language you want, or you can tap on use app language as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.